Fungal infections can affect various parts of our bodies, from the head to the feet, groin, and other areas, causing itching, irritation, and a range of bothersome symptoms. These infections are not only uncomfortable but can also become quite repulsive. Scalp fungus, also known as Tinea capitis, is a specific type of fungal infection that affects the skin and hair on the scalp. Although it won't turn you into a zombie, it can alter your appearance. Scalp fungus is often referred to as scalp ringworm, although there are no worms involved. It is caused by contagious fungi that grow on the outermost layer of the skin, similar to other common fungal infections. The development of scalp fungus can lead to various symptoms, including dry and scaly skin, redness, itching, dandruff, and even hair loss. The severity of these symptoms can vary, with some cases causing noticeable patches of gray, scaly skin and minor hair loss, while more severe cases can result in inflammation, lesions, and secondary bacterial infections. Scalp fungus occurs when contagious fungi are transmitted to the scalp and hair from other people, animals, or objects. Fungi are ubiquitous, and contact with them can lead to the spread and development of an infection on the skin. Common sources of these infections include contact with infected individuals, animals, shared items like towels and combs, as well as certain environments like damp locker rooms or showers. The most common types of fungus causing scalp infections are Tinea capitis, ringworm, and Candida, yeast. Tinea capitis is more prevalent, often affecting children and individuals with weak immune systems. On the other hand, Candida scalp infections are rare and usually occur in immunocompromised individuals. Scalp fungus can also lead to hair loss, with patchy bald spots and brittle hair being common signs. While most hair loss due to scalp fungus is temporary, severe infections can cause scarring alopecia, a type of permanent hair loss. It is essential to seek prompt treatment to prevent further complications. Distinguishing between a fungal infection and other types of infections on the scalp can be challenging without professional assessment. Healthcare providers can identify the specific infection and provide appropriate treatment options. Antifungal medications are commonly used to treat scalp fungus. Oral antifungals like griseofulvin, itraconazole, and fluconazole are effective in combating the infection. Topical antifungal creams may also be recommended if there is inflammation, scalp lesions, or signs of ringworm or other fungal infections elsewhere on the body. It is crucial to complete the entire treatment period as prescribed, even if improvements are seen early on. Discontinuing treatment prematurely increases the risk of recurring fungal infections. Minoxidil may be used as a supplementary treatment for temporary hair loss. In conclusion, while scalp fungus can be an unpleasant and unsightly condition, it is generally treatable with appropriate medications. Seeking timely medical attention and adhering to the prescribed treatment plan can help eliminate the infection and minimize hair loss.